Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can scan the QR codes by your Motorola G73. So at the start, open the camera app, then go to the settings and expand the AI settings. Now switch on the Google Lens and go back to the camera. How you can see the small Google Lens icon appears, so tap on it. Tap on the open camera and add a permission. Now just tap show the QR code to your device and tap on the share button. How you can see, the address on the QR code appears automatically, so we can go directly from the camera to the web browser. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and remember to visit our site. Goodbye.